Fiber craft. Fiber crafts is subdivided into different types. Quilting and quilt art is a technique of using two layers of fabrics, usually with soft materials, placed in between the layers and then stitched together. Lace making is the art of creating lace, which is dainty fabric that is usually made of thread and yarn. Rope making is the craft of combining many strands of materials to form one stronger cord. The strands are combined by braiding and twisting the material together. Embroidery is the process of creating design upon a material like woven fabric, paper, leather, and more by using a needle. This can be done by hand or machine. Canvas work is a technique when counted thread, embroidery is stitched into a canvas or some other types of sturdy materials. The most common types of canvas work is needlepoint. Macrame is a type of material produced when using knotting technique. It is accomplished into a geometrical pattern. Macrame derives from Arabic word migrama, which means fringe.